Hello, my name is Aniket Sanjay Kapde, class 10C, roll number 4. Today I am going to teach you life processes. There are major 4 parts in the lesson: nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Today I will teach you nutrition. So first we will know what is the nutrition. The process of taking nutrition from food is called nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. There are two modes of nutrition. One is heterotrophic and another is autotrophic. First we will discuss about autotrophic and then heterotrophic. Autotrophic. This is process in which organisms prepare their own food from simple inorganic material, water and carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight. Example of this mode of nutrition is plant. Second one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In this, organism depends upon another organism for food to survive. Example is human being, amoeba, etc. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, the organism can't prepare their own food, so they are dependent upon another organism for food. Now we will know how plants prepare their food. The process in which green plant converts simple inorganic material into complex organic material C6H12O6 in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants prepare their own food. We will see the reaction. CO2 plus H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives you C6H12O6 plus O2. Now we will see nutrition in plant. Events occurring during photosynthesis. What event occur during photosynthesis? First one, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules in H and O. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Chloroplast, second part. It is the main part of leaf. There are small organelles found in plant cell contain chlorophyll which absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. It is the diagram. Modes of nutrition. What modes are there of nutrition? There are three modes of nutrition: saprophytic, parasitic and holozoic nutrition. First we will see about saprotrophic nutrition. In this, organism obtain food from dead and decaying organic matter, example bacteria. Second one, parasitic nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, in which organism obtain food from another organism without killing them, example mosquito. Second one is holozoic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition that involves digestion, absorption and assimilation of liquid or solid organic matter material, example is human being. Thank you for watching this. Have a good day. Bye bye.